I paid off my car this week, so we know what that means. We are going to deep clean him. So the story about this car, if you don't know, this is him. His name is Ned, and he's just the cutest little thing ever. I'd always wanted this car. So for my 18th birthday, I bought the car for myself, and I had a loan on it. And then for my 20th birthday, I paid off the car by myself. And oh my God, I'm stoked. Last week was my last car payment. So I decided that this week I would do a deep cleaning because he needs it. He needs it bad. So I'm gonna take you on this journey with me because it'll be fun, and then I'm more likely to clean because it won't be boring and lonely. So let's do it. Let's go down and see what we're working with. Okay, so first things first, I drove him over and parked by the trash can just so we can get all the garbage out right here and not have to worry about like wasting trash bags. So I'm gonna put my Beats on, I'll set up a camera, and we'll do this. Actually, hang on. I wanted to give you guys a before shot of all the chaos before I start cleaning it, because I was not kidding about how bad I let this car get. Okay, so I did bring a couple trash bags just to put like sweatshirts and stuff that I wanted to take upstairs in so that I didn't have to make individual trips for everything. So it's kind of backwards, but everything I'm taking inside I'm just going to put in a bag and then make the trips quicker. I've been looking for these for ever. 6 months maybe. Probably more. I brought this. This wasn't just sitting in the car. I brought it down with me. Just so you know. That's my impression of a lacrosse boy. This is why I don't like cleaning. Well, Jenny, maybe if you didn't clean everything a hot mess, it wouldn't be this bad to clean it. Ooh. My gag reflex is popping off right now. Hopefully we don't have no babies. Why is this playing right now? There's like tiny bits of dog food in here. It is 11:47. These are things I'm taking in. And we absolutely killed it. The little side just has maps. Put my seats back up. I think I'm gonna order a little carpet vacuum off of Amazon. And this is the back. That's my little snow scraper guy. I'll probably lay him down. I have tissues and an umbrella and some random pillows that I don't have room for in my place. I would say that this was very successful, very interesting adventure, but I feel much better. Here's the thing, I hate cleaning. Cleaning is the worst thing in the world to me. But after I do it, I always feel good. I just won't do it. So I'm gonna go inside and take a long, hot shower because I feel disgusting, as you can probably tell. But yeah, thanks for being here. Me and Mr. Ned will catch you all on another date. Goodbye.